Welcome to Cricket World TV, the latest IPL update. We've got a couple more games to round up as the tournament winds its way towards the playoffs. The Rajasthan Royals, they've really had to win all of their remaining games to really get through. They've still got an outside chance, but it is just an outside chance after they were beaten by 9 wickets by the Royal Challengers Bangalore. Another fantastic innings from Chris Gayle as they thumped the Royals at home. Shane's last game in Jaipur wasn't a happy day for him. Chris Gayle unbeaten on 70 in just 44 balls. Virat Kohli captaining in the absence of Daniel Vettori, leading his side to win and hitting the winning runs. Then we had the Chennai Super Kings. They've returned to the top of the table with a comprehensive 18-run win over the Delhi Daredevils, though it owed a lot to some excellent late hitting from Mahendra Singh Dhoni. He made 63 in just 31 balls, and Subramanian Badrinath to get them up to a winning score. Delhi Daredevils found themselves in a very similar position. They couldn't find that acceleration. Chennai had hit 50 runs in the last 3 overs of their innings. Irfan Pathan was unbeaten on 44. Chennai proved too strong. Surely they're about to make it into the playoffs yet again.